Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share your website with your friends. So first things first, we are at our editor at googlesites.com and we are working on our website. And let's say you want to invite people to help you with some constructive criticism. And yeah, here we are. So on top corner of our screen where we have undo, redo, we can hit that preview button and show it how it looks. We have share with others, and there's where we want to click. At the moment you see that there are people with access, which is me right now, and then draft and published site. All we have to do is write down people you may know or someone with, for example, email address that you know. And you're gonna click here, you're gonna notify him and write it down. You can write down a message. Please help me with this web. You can give him rights as a published viewer or editor and send him the request. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.